Of them looked up at me and smiled. I blacked out. The aftermath. I woke up in the hospital. My neighbor found me in the stairwell, unconscious, bleeding from the nose and ears. I told the doctors I fell. I told them I was tired. I didn't tell them about the thing that licked my face just before I passed out. I stayed in a hotel across town, tried to disappear, but the damage was done. Now it follows me, not in the vents, in the walls, in the pipes, in the cracks. Wherever I go, I hear it. 2:17 a.m. Tap. I've changed cities, burned sage, seen priests, seen therapists. Nothing helps. Because last night, I woke up to my mirror fogging over, even though I hadn't showered, and written in the condensation were 3 words, almost yours. I'm not crazy. I know how that sounds, but it's real. And if you're still watching this, and you're hearing the taps too, it's already started for you. Don't reply to it, don't record it, don't investigate it, and whatever you do, don't ever say its name. Wait, did I ever tell you its name? Because now that I think about it, I never said it out loud, not once. How did you